I understand, but it's like it's like I'm homeless. I ain't got no. You know what I'm saying?
I know, but if you didn't waste all your money on dope, you wouldn't be homeless anymore, right?
Right.
I was calling because I have a property off South Warren, and there's someone in the backyard who seems to be on drugs. So we were going in to work on the house.
What's the address, sir? Okay, and are you guys there now or no?
No, we left, so nothing happened. He was just yelling and screaming, and like he didn't make sense. So we just left. Did not cause any damage or harm.
Okay, all right. I'll let him know, sir. We'll get him out there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Do me a favor and just hang tight, man.
Okay.
What's up? What are you doing? Go ahead and grab a seat on the front of my car.
I was fishing for a second.
We're just gonna have a talk for a minute, okay?
Bothering nobody, sir.
Well, someone called. Said you were bothering them. What's got you freaking out today?
I ain't bothering nobody doing nothing.
Yeah, there were some people that were working back there, and you were bothering them, and they had to stop working because they were afraid of you.
Who? Where?
People working on a house on Warren over there.
That was me?
Yeah.
Been here for like last. I know.
They called about you. It was definitely you, man.
I was yelling. I don't know. I get to, like I said, I got PT. I don't know if it's me yelling.
It's not PTSD, man. It's drugs.
I know it's drugs, but I'm saying that's why I'm yelling and shit, but
yeah.
I don't be doing nothing like harmful to nobody.
I know, but it's alarming enough, and you're not in control of yourself.
I know,
You're definitely not in control of yourself.
I think I'm homeless and I don't got like I ain't got no friends or anything. I don't bother nobody.
Well, you are bothered.
Talk, yell at myself. I can't scream at myself.
I know. But it does bother people. And you are bothering people, right? I mean, you got kids or anything?
Yeah. I'd like to be around them like this.
Yeah. Well, these people have kids. And it bothers them when you're out here like this, right? And that's understandable. Isn't it? That's why people are calling.
I know.
You what? So you know it's not okay.
I know that, like, is it a crime for me to be by myself and just, like, yelling and shit like that? I mean, ain't freedom of speech or some shit like that?
Well, technically, if I wanted to charge you with disorderly conduct, I could.
Okay, I'm sorry then.
Right?
You're right.
Because you're willingly intoxicated in public, creating a disturbance that is causing concern in the community. That's disorderly conduct. So technically, it's a crime. I'm not out here trying to do that. We don't typically do that for you, right? I talked to you just the other day. You were up on Broad Street in front of the pawn shop, remember? Hey man, what's going on?
Shit.
You doing okay?
Yeah, I had somebody else saw me a little bit ago.
What?
I had somebody else saw me.
Somebody else stopped you a couple minutes ago?
At the barber shop. He asked me that's cool. Gave me some water.
Okay. Well, you're definitely high as a kite, man.
Well,
you were doing the same thing, and people were concerned about you, but you were able to cross the street on your own, and you were doing all right. Do you have an ID or anything on you today? When's the last time you had a warrant or arrested or charged?
I got a drill 10 days ago.
Okay. What was the charge?
Theft or some shit. I fled out.
So you think that case is all done?
Yeah. I checked on the computer to make sure I had no court station on that stuff.
Okay. I'll check again. What's your name, bub?
Keith Bragg.
Keith. What's the last name?
Bragg, B-R-E-G-G.
What's your social? Where you been laying your head?
My mom stayed out east. If I catch a bus, if I be bus fare, stay out east.
How often does your mom let you stay there, though?
Many times I want, as long as I'm not high or something like that.
Yeah, that's not very often, though. Where do you normally stay?
Trap here and there.
Yeah. So you don't have like a regular secure spot.
Yeah, I got like my mom's. But catch a bus.
Yeah, but they're not even gonna let you on a bus like this.
I usually
What's that?
ride a bike all the east side. Now it's like downtown, really, where it's at.
You can ride a bike in this condition? You can hardly stand up.
I'm good, bro. I'm home. I know what you're saying, but
Do me a favor, just hang out for a minute. I'm gonna make sure I don't have anything new.
Henry Keys are not listed.
Which means they didn't
Brian
have
and Brian, man.
What happened to him?
He died.
How'd he die? Overdose?
He OD'd.
Oh. How long ago did that happen?
2020, I think it was.
Okay. How many times have you OD'd?
Once, like, about 4 months ago, I think it was. What's up, sir?
What's up with your hands? Your hands are all purple, man. You been picking berries?
I tried.
Yeah, it's berries, man.
That might be what it is. You sure you can ride your bike in this condition?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sorry again, bro. Like I said, I ain't trying to bother nobody or nothing, but I guess it's vacation. I guess I do yell and shit like that, but I don't yell that loud. You get frustrated at the world and shit, man. It's like, I don't know, man.
Well, I understand all that, but these people are trying to live a
I don't
normal
remember being
life.
over there by one, man.
I know, but you look like a zombie.
Come on,
You
you
know?
can't crack on me, man.
What would you do if you came out of your house and you saw a zombie out back and you were a regular dude with kids
I know.
and a regular job? You wouldn't want to see that in your back alley. You were right in someone's driveway, man. Pants are unzipped.
But I just,
You're a mess.
I understand, but it's like, man, it's like, I'm homeless, I ain't got no, you know what I'm saying?
I know, but if you didn't waste all your money on dope, you wouldn't be homeless anymore, right?
Right?
If you weren't acting like this, you could have a job.
And but like I said before, from 15 to 2 years ago, I owned my own house. Well, not 15, but I owned my own house. I had it set up 2 years ago. It was like, everything just like, trickle downhill.
You can trickle it back uphill, man. You know the places to go for help, right?
Yeah, I went to House of Hope
Okay.
How'd that work out?
yesterday. You know what I mean?
We'll go and be persistent. Stick with it, man.
Appreciate you.
All right. If you can prove to me that you can ride your bike safely, I'll let you do it.
Alright, ready? Watch it.
If I keep running into you like this, I'm going to start charging you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks for being kind.
See you, buddy.